Hi, Scott Dillon here at MarineMax of Dallas in Lewisville, Texas. And we're going to do a quick walkthrough here on the 2021 Sea Ray SLX 250. So this 250 was ordered in a two-tone, blue and white with a white boot stripe. This also has the matching power tower with power tower inserts. Great looking boat, incredibly good riding boat, and one of the more popular boats we have here in the Metroplex. This is one of the largest Sea Rays they make with an 8.5-foot beam, so very easy and completely legal to trailer. So we'll get up on the dock here and we'll check out the inside. All right, so coming up to the back of the boat, nice swim platform, sits nice and low to the water, makes it very easy to get in and out using the ladder, or this one of course also has the electric swim platform option on it, which is arguably one of the most popular options we put on any of the Sea Rays. So full width swim platform, storage underneath the back on top of the engine, and great reach-in storage for larger items like wakeboards and water skis over here on the side. Nice flip-up backrest as well if you want to sit here on the edge of the boat while you're putting on wakeboards, water skis, or just watching the kids swim around the back of the boat. Transom pull-out sprayer allows you to rinse your feet off if you're at the beach swimming, or if you get mud on your feet, you can spray off back here on the back without tracking that into the boat. Nice remote control for the stereo. Like most of the other Sea Rays in this size range, nice storage inside for wet stuff. Ropes, fenders. You can also use this as a great spot for a swim up cooler while people are out back here on the transom of the boat. This hatch drops down to give you access to where the power tower is and where the swim platform is. Moving into the boat, you'll notice good storage all the way around underneath all of your seats. There is a port in here for a charger. There is a charger on board the boat, so wherever you keep the boat stored, if it's on a trailer at your house or on a lift, you can just leave the boat plugged in. That way it keeps a nice little charge on your battery so you don't come back to a dead battery. Lift out cooler underneath this side. Storage underneath all of your seats with the exception of this seat. That is where your batteries are going to be located. Nice in-floor ski locker for wakeboards, water skis, noodles, all of that good stuff you're going to be bringing out with you. Vacuum flush head. So the way this head system works is you use your foot, you pull up on that foot pedal, it fills the basin with water, you use the bathroom, and then when you step on it, it vacuum sucks it all the way down into a holding tank, just like you'd see on an RV or an airplane. Moving over here to the dash, we just brought this inside, so this boat doesn't have batteries in it yet, but it does have a twin Simrad system on it, so GPS, downscan sonar, forward-looking nav, all of your engine diagnostics, all of your engine data and gauges will be brought up digitally here on these two large screens. Fusion stereo, it's a very good stereo head unit, really good Fusion speakers, subwoofer amplifier, because this boat does have the upgraded sound system in it, so great, great sound. Over here, controls for your windlass, controls for your swim platform, and for your tower. Moving up to the front of the boat, folding teak table. It's nice you can fold it to get it out of your way while you're up here, in order to sit down, and then fold it back while you're sitting. A 12-volt plug in the side, that way you can plug in your cell phone, keep it charged while people are sitting up here in the front of the boat. Storage underneath all of the seats all the way around, and of course access hatch to get down into where your windlass is. Then this boat also has the power tower, so really nice design of the tower. It hinges two places. It hinges here, that way this part always stays, the canvas part always stays parallel to the water as it comes down, so it just lowers down like this right above your windshield for storage purposes. So fantastic new boat from Sea Ray. This is one of the more popular boats that we do, especially in the SLX line. So if you have any questions on this or any of the other boats we have, pick up the phone and give us a call at the number below, or stop in and see us. We look forward to talking to you soon.